Everyone, welcome back to Tech and Challenge. Today we'll be doing a review of a tab which is called Honor Parts 8, and this is a tab from Honor. And let's begin with the review of the tab. So this was launched on 19th August 2022, and it's currently like 8 days ago. And it was launched. And let's go to the general specifications. The brand is Honor. Model is Pad 8. Release date is 19th August 2022, as I said earlier. Weight is 520 grams. Battery capacity 7250 50 mAh. Dimensions 278.54 into 174.06 into 6.9 millimeters. Display is when you go to the display, screen size is 12.00 inch. The screen, yes. Resolution 1200 into 2000 pixels. Hardware processor is 2.4 GHz octa-core processor, make is called a Snapdragon A680. Internal storage is 128 GB. And let's go to the camera, software, connectivity, and sensors of this tab.
Camera, rear camera 5 megapixels, front camera 5 megapixels, software operating system Android, Skin Magic UI 6.1, connectivity USB Type-C, yes, Wi-Fi, yes, Wi-Fi standard support 802.11, and Bluetooth, yes, Bluetooth version 5.10, and sensor, accelerometer, yes, and ambient light sensor, yes. This is the end of the review. Thanks for subscribing and supporting the channel. So that's all. My name is Nathaniel.
My name is John. This is Tech and Challenge.
Bye.